Garrett, what you up to, buddy?
Oh, hey man. I just brought in my kayak. I think what I'm gonna do, I got a bunch of old modifications on here, like some Velcro I used to keep my tackle box on there.
Yeah.
It's all worn out. I don't really have a good place for like my pole and stuff or when I go kayak fishing, so I'm gonna scan the whole thing so I can get it inside of SolidWorks and make sure that all my stuff fits on there.
That's awesome. I love the idea, and you know what? I got my kayak. Why don't I go get it and we can get to work. Welcome to Bling My Boat. I'm Brandon Atkins.
And I'm Garrett Klein. And what we're gonna do in this series is look at some 3D printed customizations that we'll design for our kayaks.
In the end, we're gonna come back together and see who's got the better design. What we want you guys to do is send us your ideas for how we should customize these kayaks, and make sure you send the better ideas to me.
We'll see about that. I'll let it slide this time, Brandon. I know that you need a little bit more help. We have a few chosen mods that we're gonna do for this. We have a pole holder and an anchor tie, and then a couple of mystery mods.
At the end of our series, we're gonna reveal all of these customizations live at Quest Integration, so make sure to stick around.
We'll see you then. Man, all this customizing makes me hungry.
Oh, me too. I'm starving, man. Let's get something.
I think I might be changing one of my minds about the custom print. I think I need to do a food tray.
Oh, nice. I like that idea. We got some custom burgers here, don't we? So we're gonna try out Rogers Burgers right here in Post Falls. We got their couch potato burger. 4 patties, right? We both went with 4 patties.
Yeah. Man, I should have had Chantel spring for some ice cream too. Burger, cheers.
Cheers, buddy.
Oh man, it's got some like Swiss cheese or something on there, and some caramelized onion.
Nice. 4 patties on this thing.
And bacon.
What's the couch potato part? It's got chips on it or something? Oh yeah, potato chips.
Delicious. Let's give it a shot.
I like the blue cheese.
Yeah, that's the first thing that I thought of. She did not tell me about the blue cheese. Yeah, but I do like blue cheese. Local patties, with some good beef. I like it.
It is good beef. I'm digging Rogers Burgers. I'm going back for sure. French fries.
I definitely need to start stretching before I go kayaking again.
So the fries, definitely hand cut. Idaho potatoes for sure. I can tell by the flavor.
You can tell by the flavor.
There's a lot of science behind how the potatoes are actually fried, like color and stuff like that. I've learned that from some of our customers actually. Garrett, I was thinking we should have the audience tell us what food we should review next. Where we stopping in.
That'd be awesome. You should let us know in the comments where we should go next.
Love that idea. Well, let's get to work, man.